Hello everyone, my name is Keshvi Santoki and today I am going to explain on the internet. So let's begin. First, let's understand what is internet. The internet is not single network, it is a network of networks. That means many small networks like college networks, office networks and mobile networks are connected together globally. Because of this interconnection, devices in the world can communicate and share information. Now, how is this communication controlled? It is controlled by a standard set of rules that is called TCP/IP protocols. Without protocols, communication is not possible. Key characteristics of the internet. First, worldwide reach, data can travel across countries in seconds. Second, the internet is open and scalable. Open means that anyone can join. Scalable means it can be grow without redesigning the whole system. Third, the internet uses packet switching. We will discuss this in later. Fourth, it is it supports client server as well as peer to peer models. And finally, it allows resource sharing, files, data, services, application, everything can be shared using the internet. ARPANET. The internet started as ARPANET in late 90s, 1960s. It was funded by the US Department of Defense. Initially, it connects only few universities and research centers. The goal was resource sharing and reliable communication. Slowly, this search network expanded and evolved in today's global network. How the internet works as packet switching. This is the core concept of this topic. The internet uses packet switching, not circuit switching, where the data is sent and is broken into small packets. Each packets travel independently through the network and different packets may take different routes. Routers decides the path using the IP address and at the destination packets are reassembled in the correct order. This makes the communication efficient and reliable. This is the core architecture of the internet. Let's understand this. First, we have access network that is home Wi-Fi, mobile data, and DSL, cable, etc. This connects us to the internet service provider, or we can say ISPs. ISPs use routers to forward packets. Then come the backbone network, which is very high speed and connects different regions. Finally, we have the host or end system like mobile computers and servers. Essential internet protocols like I we can say IP or means internet protocol which handles the addressing and the routing. TCP like provides reliable communication, no data loss. UDP is the faster but unreliable uses for video streaming. Application layer protocols like HTTP, FTP, SMTP, and DNS supports user services. Each protocol has specific job. Together they all make internet communication possible. Or we can say IP addressing. Every day we use every device on the internet must have unique IP address. IPv4 uses 32-bit addresses, but these are almost exhausted. So IPv4 was introduced with 128-bit addresses, which supports very large a large number of services. Routers use this address to forward packets to the correct destination. And let's discuss domain name system, that is DNS. Now think practically that do you remember IP address? No, that's why we use DNS. DNS converts domain name like google.com into IP address. You can think of any DNS as the phone book of the internet. Without DNS, browsing would be very difficult. The future of the internet, like high speed fiber networks, which are increasing the bandwidth. 5G technology supports the faster mobile communication. IoT connects every devices. Cloud computing is changing the storage and processing. Smart homes and smart cities are becoming common. So the internet will continue to grow and evolve. So, to summarize, the internet is the global system based on the pocket switching, protocols, and addressing. It connects the network worldwide and supports modern communication. Thank you.